everybody who came here and shared this moment with us. I really appreciate you all coming here and sharing it with us. I would like to thank my high school friends, si Jazz, si Shella, and John, and my college friends and friends ko po sa med school for coming here. They all came from Manila pa po just to share this special moment with me. And sa relatives ko from General Pino to sa Madugtong and Kain side, thank you po for coming. Mga friends and syempre po relatives ng group ko, thank you po for coming here. Galing pa din po sila sa lahat sa Manila. And also, I would like to thank Mayor Sonia for making the ceremony possible even though napaka-short ang unang notice namin sa kanya. Thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate all of you coming here. Thank you po.
At naunawaan na po natin lahat kung bakit po si Dr. Chean nag-deliver ng message of text. Please make your cell phone open all day long dahil ite-text na lang daw po ni Jaime yung kanyang mensahe. Promise yun. Now, as they say, kung hindi mo masabi sa salita, sabihin sa gawa. So, can we see once again that wonderful wedding kiss? Oo na naman. Kiss na nga lang eh. Eehee. Congratulations once again. And we would like to invite po our guest for table to join our couple para lang po ma-cover natin ang ating celebration. So may we request po yung mga from Manila natin, from St. Luke's to join our couple here. Our